I figured that as I'm doing some reloading, I'll talk to y'all. That way, you get to do something, I'm doing something. So today I am reloading 308. You know, the funny thing is, there's always a lot of criticism on everything that you do. Nothing that you do is good unless you do it like they're doing it. Well, all right. So let me walk something in here or throw something out there, so you guys perhaps can get opinionated on it. I said in my recent post, that I was just going to start calling the BS because, quite frankly, everybody wants to call the BS, but it is okay as long as the BS doesn't land on your roof. So yeah, no, we're gonna go all around. So let me throw something out there. You know, for years I always heard like, oh, we need to have a battle rifle. We need to have something that, you know, it does it all. Like, we need to have something that we can have in our trucks and it just works. Okay? Well, this satisfies pretty much all those areas. And yet, when you come in here and say it, people throw stones at you. Oh, no. That's an antiquated thing. You need an AR. ARs are not the fucking best. They are not the freaking best. You know that. Okay, let me throw something out there, and I would like those of you who know anything about history to chime in. I'm going off memory here now, so bear with me. When was the last time that the U.S. won a war? When was the last time? World War II, right? Okay. Did we use the AR during World War II? Did we use it before that? The AR started in Vietnam, right? Okay. Did we won in Vietnam? Put it down in the comment section below. If it's so good, let me turn off the AC. It's hot as balls right now. So, if the platform is so good, how come you need several rounds to put a threat down? When the 3006, you don't need that many. The 308, you don't need that many. Okay. The idea behind it was like, well, you want to wound your enemy. So that way, you have now not one down, but three. One helping, or two helping the wounded one. Okay. In theory, sure, absolutely. In theory, like everything. In theory, everything works. In reality, you're there to take lives. That's the truth of the matter. You can argue all you want, but that's the truth of the matter. You cannot come here and say a 30 caliber is less likely to extinguish the lie than a 22. It's just not there. It's not. It is a lie. Well, it's a platform that you know is widely available and it's cheap. Yeah, it's true. It is cheap. It is widely available. I give you all of that. What good is it to me if the platform itself or the caliber or, you know, the big fanboys of it need to send an entire magazine to take down a threat? Because that's always the argument too. Oh, you can carry more ammunition. You can carry more ammunition with 22 as well. Regular 22 LR. I'm a big proponent of 22 LR for what it is. So the whole idea of Oh, the AR-15. Those. Here's the thing. I ask when we went down the hill. We went down the hill when we stepped down from a man's caliber, a 30 caliber, to a 22 caliber. That's when we went downhill. Ever since the AR-15 or the 5.56 has been in service, how many wars have we won? Just answer me that. Don't come to me with no BS. Oh, but if you do this, if you do that. No. Answer me the simple question. How many wars have we won ever since the 5.56 came to standard? The answer is not that complicated. Since World War II, we haven't won a single war. Yeah. Before that, well, man didn't complain that much about weight and whatnot. But now, just like the sissification of men, everybody is a damn whiner. Everybody is a freaking damn whiner. Stop whining about everything. Stop justifying your bad decisions. What is it you're doing? You're making excuses because you want to justify your life choices. I don't care about your life choices, to tell you the truth. That's not my problem. That's yours. But don't be throwing no BS around. I mean, if you're okay with running a whatever it is that you're running, it's fine. Whatever makes you happy. But I just want to tell you something. And I want you to be truthful. I can go where you at. Where you at. And with that one, I'm just going to pick on this one. I can do everything that your AR does. Everything. I can protect my house. I can protect my family. Truck gun. SHTF. Whatever you want to call. Whatever shade you want to throw at me. I can go hunting any large game in America. I can go hunting with that. Food on the table. Everything. Can you do the same? Can you come now to my area, to my location, with your little AR and do the same? No, sir. You definitely cannot. So, yeah. Does it hurt your feelings? Maybe. Is it my problem? Sorry to tell you, but it's not my problem. If it hurts your feelings, it hurts your feelings, and that's it. Get over it. And man up. That's all I can say. I mean, people nowadays, everything is always a problem. You're attacking me. I'm not attacking you. I'm attacking the BS. If you don't know how to recognize a person attacking the BS, then, my friend, you have more issues than you want to admit. But, again, completely up to you. Now, you want to prepare for SSTF, you want to have something that it will go bang all the time. I don't know. I can only recommend you what I've used. I've used AR-10s, I used AR-15s. The most recent one was bought maybe a year and a half ago. So, fairly modern. I have AR conversions for the 22s. I have them. I've used them. I have M1As. I have other... Come on, guys. If you're going to say something, you need to come and say it as I was saying here. If I tell you the cat is black, it's because I have the cat's hairs in my hands. Not because, such and such said. No, I'm telling you because I have it. I don't know why people are always so, I don't know, I guess that's their animal or whatever, but man, oh man. Everybody is now so freaking sensitive about everything. anyways, 250-year anniversary of our wonderful and once upon a time great country. I'm saying it the way it is. If you think our country is as good as it used to be, you are delusional. Could it be great again? Absolutely. If we eliminate all that seasonings, all the wussification, and call out the BS when we see it, we can do it. If you refuse to, call out the BS, the wussification, and the seasonings, and when people come out and say the AR is the greatest rifle in the world, that is BS. You know it. I know it. And they even know it, because as much as they want to argue, as much as they want to, justify their life choices, is like the comparison of a man drinking raw milk and an individual drinking soy milk. Anyway, with that being said, happy 4th of July. I hope you have a great one. If you got offended, put it down in the comment section below. I'm offended. I guarantee you that I will not care one bit. Because in this channel, we will call the BS whether you like it or not. Anyway, guys, I hope to see you in the next one. And I hope you have a wonderful day.